morning, Scots. I'm Gracie.
And happy Friday. I'm Sophia.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's get into the announcements for today. First up, it's time to make your decision about taking the AP exams in May. The deadline to pay for the exam is October 25th and it's approaching quickly. The cost is $99 or $20 if you qualify for a reduced fee. To avoid a late fee, a non-refundable deposit of $40 or a $20 non-refundable payment if you qualify is due by October 25th. You can make payments at the finance office or through the online student store at kern.graystep.com. Don't wait. Take care of it today.
Students, are you interested in learning more about the University of Santa Barbara? If so, a UC Santa Barbara representative will be here on campus Thursday, October 16th during 6th period. If you would like to attend this presentation, please sign up by scanning the QR code or using the link located in the announcements or on the counselor's Canvas page.
Finally, we'll be participating in the 2024 Great California Shakeout next Thursday during your second period class. Remember, we have experienced some earthquakes at the beginning of the school year. Be prepared to drop, cover, and hold on during this drill because you never know when we might face the big one.
It's time for a commercial break.
We'll be back in a few moments.
The Red Cross Club is currently hosting a breast cancer awareness event running through next Wednesday. The student and staff member who collect the most donations by the end of the event will either shave their head or donate 8 inches of their hair. The winners will be announced and the haircuts will take place next Thursday between the JV and varsity football games. Student participants include Alex Reyes, Joseph Kalogi, Vlad Roderick, and August Warren. Staff participants are Mr. Parra, Mr. Gonzalez, Miss Nelson, Miss Martinez, and Mr. Fifley, also known as the Mean Team. Donation cans can be found in Mrs. Martinez's room 14C, in staff participants' rooms, and in various locations around campus. All monetary donations will go to the Susan G. Komen Race for the Cure Foundation, while hair donations will benefit Kids with Hair Loss, an organization that provides free wigs for children and teens.
Welcome back, Scots.
It's time for sports.
Welcome to Sports, I'm Ja.
Hey Scots, I'm Gabby.
Let's dive into some sports announcements. Please stop by Classroom 7K and scan the QR code to complete the form.
Also, don't forget to fill out your sports nets and upload your physical to your account to be eligible to participate.
Next up, the 3v3 basketball tournament has been rescheduled to Friday, October 25th, 2024, from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. If you have any questions, please stop by Mr. Valdez's classroom at 14J.
Also, the football team is currently 4-2 and they'll be facing off against the Eagles tonight at BCHS.
Go Scots!
Now let's hear some interviews with cross-country runners featuring the one and only Raquel. Today I'm here with Lily. Today I'm here with
Jerson. Elpidio.
What has been your favorite moment or accomplishment in cross-country this season?
Winning my first varsity race.
My biggest accomplishment would be just racing in general. I think it's cool.
Breaking 19 in the 5K.
How do you stay mentally focused and motivated during long runs and challenging races?
I try to think about the positive and how it's going to help me become a better runner.
I think of my girlfriend.
I think of my team and doing it for them.
What motivated you to join the cross-country team, and how has your experience been so far?
The experience has been good. All the girls are super sweet.
It was my girlfriend. She kept telling me to just try out and just do it, and yeah.
Probably my coach.
Can you describe your training routine and how you prepare for your races?
We have 2 workouts once a week, and I try to eat healthy and hydrate.
Ooh, well, I don't know, I just run.
5-mile long runs every day.
Remember, Scots, if you're interested in playing a sport here at Highland, be sure to stop by the athletics office anytime.
That's all for sports today.
That's it for today.
Thank you for watching.
And always remember to
Plaid up.
Students, are you interested? Why does it say A?
The battery. Okay.
Welcome to sports. I'm Jaw. And please stop by classroom 7K and scan the QR to 7 p.m. If you have any questions, please stop by Mr. Valdez's classroom at
You have to
14J.
redo because I looked